Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosemary. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the fam, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today's tutorial is going to be a no gel blunt cut ponytail with a side swoop. First step, I am trying to smoothen my hair. That's what you're seeing me doing with the blow dryer. I'm just going to continue combing and blow drying it on hot setting to smoothen the hair a bit. I'm not going to be using gel for this tutorial. I just decided to try something different from the regular, so I'll be using my got to be spray to lay the hair. So next step, I am going to cut out the side swoop first before I proceed to gel up the hair. I said gel up, no, before I proceed to spraying down my hair. So I'm just basically patting the side swoop. So I'm done patting the hair. I'm just checking to see if it's enough for my side swoop. Then I'm going to keep that section aside. Then my next step is using my wax stick to go smoothen my hair. I'm also using my wax stick because I want it to shine a little bit. I didn't want to put too much oil in my hair, so I just said to go for the wax stick. So by the time you're spraying the got to be on the hair, you're going to notice that my hair is shining a bit. I'm trying to look for another word for shine, but you get what I mean. I'm just going to go ahead and smoothen my hair, comb it, and then pack it in a ponytail as tight as possible. And then I'm going to go ahead to start spraying down and drying my hair equally. While I'm spraying the hair, I'm going to use my brush to smoothen my hair and continue drying it until it's strong enough. When using your got to be spray, do not be stingy with your products. Give your hair enough product. So right now I'm trying to bring out my baby hairs before I proceed to start drying my hair. Trust me, if you try this method of using got to be spray, you will not want to use gel again. This is rock solid. Like, I even prefer it to gel. Gel within 2 days, 3 days you start applying gel. But trust me, since I made this hair, I have not applied gel on my hair, and my hair is still as hard as the day I made it. So yeah, try this hack today and thank me later. If you bought it this time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not, and share this video with your loved ones. Click the notification bell and all of that stuff. Even if you have natural hair, trust me, got to be spray is going to hold on your hair. As you can see, my hair has undergrowth. Like, if you look closely, you are going to see that I have undergrowth, but my hair is still rock solid. So natural hair people, if you think your this spray is not going to hold your hair, trust me, it's going to. And yeah, try this method and thank me later. I'm just going to continue spraying down the hair, brushing it, then using my hand to smoothen the hair, and I'm going to continue drying this. It's a really simple process. It's not hard at all. Even if you're trying it for the first time, you're going to see that it's very easy. So yeah, next I'm going to put my hair in a pony. Then I'm going to use my wrap strip to wrap the braided hair. I'm doing this because I'm going to be using bond for, not really, I'm not using much bond, but I'm going to use a little bit, and I don't want it to get on my hair. That's why I'm wrapping my hair. And yeah, I think I might have over wrapped the hair, so it was a bit stiff. So if you're using yours, don't put too much like me. And yeah, the next step, I'm going to go ahead and use my bond to seal the wrap. And then I'm going to be using this old bundle that I have lying around. It's a synthetic hair. So the next step, I'm going to take a little rubber band, and then on the edge or tip of the hair, you're going to just watch what I'm doing. I'm just going to put the band on the tip of the hair, and then use the other end of the band to tie it on the tip of my matted hair or braided hair. Yeah, and then I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping the extension around my matted hair or braided hair. It's a very simple style, guys. You can use bond for this, but I did not just want to use bond for this tutorial. I'll probably show you guys in another tutorial how to use bond. That one is quite tasking, and trust me, your arms will hurt because you're going to rub the bond on it and do the same process. But this one, you don't really need it since you've already secured it from the beginning with the rubber band. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue wrapping it round, and then you see that the extension wasn't enough, so I had to use bond to seal the end and then attach another one and continue the same process. It's very easy, guys. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, you saw me sealing the tip with ghost band. That was why I wrapped my hair. Now I'm seeing this very little annoying hair standing, so I had to spray it down. I got to be, and I blow dried it. After that, I'm going to just take a little piece of the hair, even though it's not that little. I'm going to just take a little piece of the hair, and I'm going to comb, smoothen it, and spray it. I'm spraying it because I want it to stay in place. That's why we use got to be spray. It's a freezing spray, so technically it's going to freeze whatever you're spraying it with. I'm going to go ahead and spray it and take it around to cover that raggedy ass looking edge and make it look cute, and I'm going to go ahead and seal it with my got to be spray and my blow dryer again. So yeah. Next, I'm going to comb the hair, spray it down with my oil sheen to give it a little shine, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the hair to my desired length. Yeah, I'm going for a blonde cut, so I'm going to cut it straight. Then I'm supposed to straighten the hair, but I tried to straighten it and the hair started melting. You know, it was a synthetic hair, it couldn't take heat, so I let it be. So moving to the front, I'm going to spray my heat protectant spray as usual, and then I'm going to straighten the hair. I wanted to use just my natural hair for this front, but I wanted volume, so I'm going to go ahead and part the hair and add 2 tracks of the hair extension. I tried to see what the sides would look like without the extension, but it wasn't just giving me what I wanted. And yeah, I tried to add glue to the extension, part my hair, and gum the extension. Don't worry, it's not going to touch your hair. You're basically gumming it on your scalp, so it's safe. It's going to pull out. If you want to bring it out, just put any oil, baby oil, any oil you have, and it's just going to come off. So I did that for just 2 tracks, and I combed my hair on it, and then I'm going to go in with my wax stick and my free spray so I can keep the hair in place, because I don't like seeing any flyaways. Yeah, the wax stick, as usual, I'm applying it so the hair can shine a bit. And yeah, I'm basically just going to style, straighten the hair, and you're going to see me swooping it to the side. I wanted to leave it like this. Actually, I love it like this more, but for this tutorial we are doing a side swoop, so we're taking it to the side. And yeah, basically I'm just going to use my bobby pins to just hold it at the back. But if you're using gel for this hairstyle, or you want it to stay, you're going to have to spray a lot of got2b. When I mean a lot, you're going to have to spray a lot of got2b, and then you're going to spray it down to the back, so you don't really need to use bobby pins. But I wanted to mix my hair. I wanted to change the hair from side swoop to dropping the hair. Yeah, so this is what the hair looks like. I'm obsessed, I'm impressed. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.